Alright guys, so today I want to do an unboxing and review on my S1 mini 12-inch laptop screen extender. But it's not just a screen extender for a laptop, it could actually do several other devices, so why I was super excited to get it. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Okay. Nice. The screen right here. So you get your user manual, you get Type-C to USB, Type-C to Type-C, and then Type-C to HDMI. So now that we have everything out, let's go ahead and set it up and see what it looks like. Alright guys, I got it all hooked up now. You just have to make sure you have two ports. One for power, which is the USB to Type-C. You can plug it into the device itself, or you can plug it into the wall. And then the second one is you have to have a fully functioned Type-C or an HDMI on here, or if you have some sort of adapter. But if you have those two, then you're literally good to go. As you can see, it's showing on both screens. The very cool part is this is adjustable, like this. Like you can make it bigger or smaller. And then it literally has little cushioning here, so it just stays on there. And then let me show it to you this way. All right, and then this is the back. And the cool part is you can actually switch up the little stand. So if it goes about, if you like it about there, or we can push in more up or all the way up and push all the way back. Let's see what's, and then lock it in place right there. And that's usually probably the perfect spot right there. So because it's adding a little bit of, not too much pressure, but it'll help it keep it upright or whatever part that you want. So that is a very cool feature. So this is to a laptop. Now let's see what else it could do. All right, guys, and the other option that I wanted to show is you could actually hook it up to your Nintendo Switch. So, you know, sometimes you don't want to be all crowded on the small screen. So if you're doing multiplayer, this would be super convenient to have. So let's just see how it looks. Like I said, it's got its own speaker as well. It looks really, really good. Do Yoshi right here. So what's cool is it's not just limited to laptops. You can also use it like on your Switch and things like that. Let me see if I can get something else hooked up to it. All right, and then the last one I want to show is that you can also connect it to like your mobile device, like your phones and your iPads and tablets. So as you can see, I'm literally casting it from here, which is really, really cool. So if you wanted like a second screen for this, or maybe just a little bit bigger screen from your phone or your iPad or tablet, then this is definitely your go-to. So you can see not just a second screen for your laptop, you can add this to your desktop, to your mobile devices, to your gaming consoles. So it's very, very cool and very, very neat to be able to take this anywhere. Like I said, it is portable. So if you're looking for an awesome portable monitor, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.